Hey guys, check this out. Look at all this snow we're getting. Yeah, this is the big snow of 2016, I guess, if you want to call it that. This started about 3 hours ago. The roads are already covered here. There's already a good half an inch coming down, and it's steady. I've got my phone right now with me doing this video with. I have to say I do like it. It does good video here. But listen at that. I don't know if you can hear it or not. You can hear the snow hitting these dry leaves. Used to be you can walk right through here. It's growing up through here. I might cut some of these out and make a little path where I used to walk. Yeah, this first snowfall is supposed to be roughly 3 inches. And in 2 days, they're saying we could get up to a foot of snow. As you know, right over there is a mountain. You can't even see it. That's how hard it's coming down right now. So probably a good week, 2 weeks, probably won't be able to walk up through here if we're going to get that much snow. Yeah, I just thought I'd let you show this. Check out my other videos. Throw a thumbs up if you like this or not. If you're a snow lover, throw it up. Yeah. This is just the beginning of it. Anyways, catch you later, and bye.